This week on Cecilia Says.
Oh, that was water. Yeah. Hey, this man is gonna see this. You're not serious. The water is brown from the tap. From the tap. Now I have to drink this brown water from the tap. It's why we are getting sick. It's why the kids are always having diarrhea. It's because of this dirty water. The most important must do something because we cannot keep drinking this dirty water every day. It's now how many months now we are keeping drinking water, and the water is just brown. I'm not gonna drink this water, I'm serious.